G'day everyone, and welcome back to another video of Mitch's Fishing. Today I'm back in the creek, and we're just going to be chasing anything we can get to bite. This session's over multiple days, and yeah, we did pretty well. Ended up with a few good fish. Had a pretty good couple days of fishing, so yeah, hope you enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe.
Hold this for a second. I'm getting spiderwebs in my face.
That's why I made you go first. Man, I got a headache from that bloody bug spray or something. Just keep an eye out that there's none chilling in here first. Sometimes you get massive ones chilling. Just in here, it's crystal clear and they sit right up in it. You don't want to spook them. I can see them. They're spooking. Cast. Yeah, they're spooking. That's alright though, because now they swim into here and we can catch them right here.
Oh, look at them.
Can't really see a whole lot right now. There was some decent ones in there. There was no massive ones, but like some decent 30s and 40s. Yeah, this is the bridge spot.
Some man it gets a bit hot.
Did you just read ends?
No,
Nah.
we'll try to keep going today.
Are you still running the Hulk one? Oh, yep.
Oh,
What is that? Tilapia?
oh, it's actually good. Oh no, it's an eeltail.
I don't think it is.
Oh, no, it's good tilapia.
It's quite hard.
There you go,
Looks
go.
like a carp.
It looks weird. Oh, it's actually decent. Oh, he casts this. He's got like 3 or 4 mates with him.
Does he?
Yeah, he's got like 3 or 4 mates with him. Dude, he's actually going hard. He's actually decent. Dude, he actually hit really hard. I felt like a dunk.
Well, what do you do?
Yeah. Oh, he's inhaled it too. I'm just gonna boat flip him on the 6-pound. Risky, but oh, he's actually decent as. Yeah, boy. Yeah, he had like 3 or 4 swimming next to him. Second cast. Alright, I'm gonna go get my bag and get the brag net out. Just sink it to the bottom and then just give it really little jiggles off the bottom. Just like real slight little jiggles up. He'd be close to 40, I reckon. Maybe not, I don't know.
Did you see that side that was
Dude, he actually went pretty good for a chili. Bait junkie. I knew that bait junkie was going to get him. See what I mean about they go hard? He's not a bad one. And he like really wanted that bait junkie. Oh yeah, he's full inhaled that.
Yeah.
Get that on record?
Yeah. He's decent. 40 on the dot. Get a photo.
Hello?
Oh, he's going crazy. Solid tilapia. 40 on the dot. Bro, he bit me pretty good, eh? He bit me really good. Dude, second cast. Alright. I'm gonna kill it, I reckon. But hopefully we can get him to sit on the nest for long enough. I think I just saw him then, but I don't know where he's gone. Yeah, hopefully we can get him to sit on his nest for long enough that we can get a hook in him. Get him to eat it, hopefully. Is that in there? That's in there. There must be two then, so it's just some... Got it. Oh my gosh, got him. Did he? Oh, he crunched it. Oh, and I'm running 6 pound. Jeez, he's going. I didn't think he was that big, but he's going pretty good. Or is he fair hooked? Oh, I didn't think he was that big, but he's. That's just me. I didn't think he was actually that big, but he's going pretty hard. He's going. Oh yeah, he's going. He's going hard. Oh, he's going for another run. Oh, is he on something? Oh, he might be on something. I'm not running. Oh, he just hit something. I definitely set my line on something then. Oh yeah, he's got a big. Oh, he's fat hooked. That's why he's going so hard. He must have swam through my line because he's not hooked very well. So I'll just back that off because he's not hooked well. Yeah, he must have swum through my line because a lot of the time you'll see and know when they bite it because their tail will get up and they'll make a real fast movement, and that's when they've hit the lure. And that's what this fish did, so I set the hook. But that's also what they do when they swim through your line, which he just did. Oh, he's going crazy. He's gonna go again. He's gonna go again. Oh no, my... Oh. See, that's not a Hollywood drag, that's a tight drag. And he was... Break flip. He's not a bad one, but he's nowhere near as big as the last one I caught. In the last video, if you watch my channel. For those like 5 people that actually... He's bigger than he looked on his nest though, I will say that. And he fought pretty darn hard. Oh bro, I'm actually getting eaten alive by mosquitoes right now. Yeah, he went pretty good. Had some old fighting in the old caddy, which is always fun. Yeah, I'll hold him up for try and not get spiked. So I do have spikes. Oh, his spike is dangerously close to my finger. Like I can actually kind of feel his spike. What I might do is get that hand, hold him like that, and then get this hand. He's gonna try and bite me. Yeah, he's just biting me. And hold him like that. Not a bad one. Not bad at all. These fish, very debatable fish. Like, I'm not going to say debatable because they're native to Australia, so they're not invasive or anything. But obviously, it's an eel mixed with a catfish. It's eel tail catfish. As you can see, it's got that eel tail and then catfish. So a lot of people just think, ooh, yuck, it's slimy. Just little slimy pieces of crap, honestly. Just like things you don't want to catch. But me, I think differently. Like, look at the colours on it. All in all, a beautiful fish, in my opinion. And you saw how hard they fight. And he is only a small one. I've seen ones probably double this size. And he'd probably be about 35 centimetres, I reckon. And I've caught them up to 50 centimetres. 52 is my PB, I do believe. So, yeah, if you saw how hard that one goes, imagine that one but 20 centimetres bigger. I'll get an official measurement of it, just to see. But yeah, not a bad fish by any means. And as I said, like, they do get, a lot of people don't really like them, a lot of people do. I personally really like them. I've always really liked them. Especially the way I target them. Oh yeah, he's 39, he's just under 40, I would have thought he'd be. Yeah, so imagine that, but about that big. That would, yeah, they go hard, that's for sure. Oh no, he is 40 there. On the dot. Slide it up, yeah. Right on 40. I thought it'd be about 38, 39. But nah, right on 40. Yeah, I'll get a photo with him. We're chasing pretty much anything today and on this video, but that is a good fish. Like I said, fights hard on 6 pound. Fights hard on any kind of line really, but like, yeah, I've been fishing 20. There was one last season and he built his nest. His nest had a big log going across the top of it and it was surrounded by sticks and lily pads. And yeah, he had built his nest. He's a bit feisty. He had built his nest right in the middle of it all. And I went with my bait casting gear and got busted off 3 times by the same fish. And then I finally ended up catching it, so yeah, it's a beauty. I'll get the waterproof camera out. Alright, let's go for this caddy again. And then probably have to go see if he's gonna eat and then probably skedaddle. See if this guy's there. Nah. He gone. Keep on going. I mean, I don't want to jinx it, but I'm kind of expecting old mate to be here just because of how protective of his nest he's been. Yeah, nah, he ain't even there. He might be. I must have spooked him pretty darn good. I know he's just someone. I should have put scent on, but I didn't. I just lined him, spooked him back onto his nest. That's how we do it. Fish get spooked, we spook him back. Come on, come back, fish. Come on. I'm gonna go chuck a different colour lure on and then chuck a heap of scent on and see if that can get him to bite. He's actually pretty big. Like that other one was 40. I reckon this guy'd be high 40s. Maybe 50. I don't think he'd be quite 50. But that other guy looked super small in the water. He looked like tiny in the water. But then I caught him and got him in and he's actually like pretty decent, like a solid 40 centimetres. And that guy there, holy dooly, what did I just spook off there? Didn't even see a fish sitting there. Yeah, that guy there was, he could just be really fat. Sometimes they look really big, but they are big, but it's mostly just because of how fat they are. Question is, what do I go to? I'm gonna make the call. Go with the old pinky. I don't think old mate's gonna like a little pink. I think old mate's gonna like the pink on his nest. I really want to get this fish. So I really want to get, because I could always just put that fish into a video, another video. So I'm definitely going to come and try and catch him again, and hopefully catch him. But I'm going to edit this video tonight, I reckon. So if I edit and upload this video tonight, it'd be cool to just have one extra fish on film for the video. I don't know, where's my scent? I'm not going to put quite as much as I did on before, because I put way too much on before. But I'm going to put, yeah, decent amount. Oh, this fish would be so cool to get. I nearly had it. He's grabbed it a couple times, but if a fish like that had just been sitting out in the open water like this, I would have caught him. But you saw before, I couldn't even set the hook on it. Like I reeled my line tight to set the hook, and that fish was just gone. Like that stuff just got all in my line, all in my reel. This bush, nice and stealthy. There he is. I don't think that was him. That guy did not look as big. Here he is. Maybe it is him. I think he sees it. He's just sitting in the middle of his nest now. No, he's right there. What is he doing? Oh, he's going crazy. Oh, there's two. Got one. There was two of them breeding. I got the smaller one. There's the big one there. There's a big one there. Look at him, look at him. Look at him, there's two. There's two. He's still trying to breed. He's trying to eat the lure out of his mouth. He's dead set trying to eat the lure off this other fish. And this is the small one. Oh man, that's so cool.
There's another one on. He's just swum onto his nest. Oh, don't spook him off his nest. Is he still on his nest? Yeah, he's right. Here's the other one. Normally the other one spooks, but he didn't. Oh, dude. I might be able to get another one. Yeah, I might be able to get the other one. Oh, I'm just gonna quickly try not to spook him. Oh, dude, he's fighting. Oh, he's got me in there now. Come on, 6 pound, 6 pound. Oh, muscle him out of there on 6 pound. Let's go. Muscle him out of there. He's carving now. He's proper carving. Alright, now back it off. Oh, he's under that log now. That's all good. Over the log. Nah, just land him here. Alright. There's that one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly... When I say quickly, I'm going to quickly run over, get my pliers, get the hook out. And I'm just going to sit the fish. Kind of like on the bank for a little bit. I don't want to keep on. I'm not going to take too long. There's my rod. Because I might actually be able to get the other one. So the other one was dead set following him, trying to get this hook out of this guy's mouth. They got the hook out. I'm going to quickly run back over without falling over on a log. And if that other one's on his nest, this is going to be insanity. Oh, he's not there, damn it. Dude, he's not there, dang it. There he is, there he is, there he is, there he is. He's there. He's right here. No. Yes, I got my lure, Please say I didn't spook the fish. Come on, please. This would be the coolest thing ever. He was trying to eat the lure out of the other one's mouth. There he is. There he is, there he is. I can see him. Oh, no, I'm in the grass again. Got that grass all through my line again. There he is, there he is. He's still hanging around. Come on. There he is. Got it. Got it. Yes, I got it. Yes. No. This one's trying to stitch me. This one's actually trying to get me in there. Oh, dude, I had to tighten up on this guy so hard. Oh, he's hooked right in the tail. He's not even hooked in the mouth at all. Oh, come on, skull drag him in. Is that other one still there? Yeah, sorry, bud. I'm gonna get that other one. I'm gonna get this one in. And I'm gonna give that other one a breath because he's been out for a couple of minutes. Oh, sorry, bud. I know I left you kind of hanging there for. hanging there for a little bit. But I'm going to give you a breath. It was only a couple minutes. These fish are super hard. He's biting down on me so hard. And then we get a measurement on both of you. These guys were breeding, and then as I was pulling this guy in, that guy was still trying to get my get the lure out of his mouth. And then I sat it, and I couldn't see him, and I thought, oh, I just kind of saw his tail go. So I set the hook because I thought he had it, and then he ended up rolling around in it and getting tail hooked. But dead set just got two, bro. I feel really bad for leaving that fish out of water for a couple minutes, but like I just said, they're really hardy fish. Oh, he was barely hooked too. This was supposedly he's bigger, he's 44. This guy here's the bigger one, I think. He certainly looks bigger. Oh, he's 45. So very, 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 very close. But look at them. Two solid caddies. Oh. Oh, my heart is pounding right now. Look at that. Double up. Practically twins, to be honest. They could honestly be twins. But how sick is that? Alright. Let's get them back in.
No fish were harmed in this video. Both, as you will see, both fish swam away very well. They had no scars or anything on them. They were all very healthy and in very good condition. As you see, they just take off. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Gonna be more videos coming. Been filming pretty much everything. Every time I go fishing, I've pretty much filmed everything. And yeah, the creek has been paying off lately. Been having some good fishing in there. It's starting to warm up a bit. Creek's starting to clear up after the floods. So the fishing is getting quite good. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.